Hello friends, today in this video I'll show you one cool feature of CapCut. So what I mean is you can see the text on this video. So we're gonna make it very nice. So let's play this video first, how it looks like. So the video looks like this and we're gonna make it like this. So we can do this through the CapCut. So I'll show you how to do this one. So let's go in and see in the CapCut. Now here I have opened the CapCut. So for that click on create. You need one photo with a black background. So I have choose here one black background photo. Delete the last part. So make this part as a 5 second. So for this you can just take a picture of the black background. So now whatever you want to write, so click on add text. So for example, I'm going to write Australia and choose the fonts, the one you like, modern, and choose the style with the green color and the animation. I'll go with the open one. So choose the open animation. So this is how it looks like. Now we'll play this and see how it goes, and we'll stop when animation finish. And then we'll put one of this on the top and let it be for 3 seconds. And then we'll put another one. Now we'll zoom out this one until we see all the green part in the screen. We'll see how it looks like now. So now what we'll do, we'll go in the middle and click on the graph and we'll put in the quadrant. We'll see now. So now we'll extract this outside. So once extracted, create another one with your original footage. So this is my original one. So now we'll put that one, the one we did just before, as an overlay. So we'll overlay this one in the whole part. So what you have to do now, go on the background, change background. Here we have a remove background. Click on that and chroma key. Then color picker, we have to find the green color. So once this, click on the screen, once this find the green color, then click arrow, and that's all done. So let's play again how it looks like. So this is Australia. So now we finally made the simple green text to the standard one. So now let's export this video. And we'll watch this video now. Now we'll see how it looks like. So finally we know how to do this one now. So if you have any doubt, then please let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely help you. Thank you for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.